Kylie Jenner. She is regarded as one of the youngest self-made billionaires in the world. Let's have a look at her business timeline. In November 2015, she launched her cosmetics business by introducing lip kits. That initial launch was successful and she gained huge profits. Her second launch was more outstanding. Branded as Kylie Cosmetics. In February 2016, she expanded her product line by introducing new shades of lip kits. On November 2016, she collaborated with her sister Khloe Kardashian to launch Coco x Kylie collection. That was a special day in her business. She generated 19 million USD in just 24 hours. In April 2017, she collaborated with Kim Kardashian to launch a new product. That product was sold out immediately, generating 13.5 million USD in sales. In 2017, she sat down for an interview with her mom and revealed that her brand earned 420 million USD in its first 18 months. And she aims to hit 1 billion by 2022. She has been included in Forbes list as a younger self-made billionaire. Kylie has a true passion for makeup and fashion. She always uses her influencer platforms to promote her business. She's a creative youth with full of positive energy and vibes. And she is an open-minded person.